Hello everyone. If you want to add footnotes in Google Docs, first step, click on next to that word you want to add footnote. For example, I want to add footnote next to Google Docs. One click next to that word, and on the top click on Insert, and from this menu click on Footnote. Also, you can use shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus F. Now, as you see, a number 1 add to that word, and at the end of page we have a footnote section, and next to number 1 you can add your text about that word as footnote. For example, and after that again you can add another footnote. For example, this time next to docs guides, and click, and on the top click on Insert, click on Footnote. As you see, a number 2 add to that word, and at the end in footnote section we again can write footnote for number 2. If you want delete footnote, just again click next to that word and delete the number. For example, I delete the number 1. As you see, the number 2 become number 1 now, and at the end that number 1 was deleted. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.